So Vic Mensa's paying for his sins for doing what he did on Everyday Struggle, trying to discredit DJ Akademiks, trying to threaten DJ Akademiks, saying that he had a temporary pass and that if we ever saw him again, there's going to be an issue. Now, Vic Mensa's paying for his sins. You go on his Instagram, all you see is L, 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 L. Look at the next picture. More L's, more L's, more L's, and more L's. And recently in an interview, he tried to double down on everything that he said. He tried to say that the reason that he snapped on DJ Akademiks like that is because he felt like it was kind of personal when DJ Akademiks reported on Chicago and the war of Chiraq. He said it was personal and the DJ Akademiks made fun of Chiraq. Granted, I watched some of those videos. I don't understand where DJ Akademiks made fun of them. I don't see where the humor was. And the contrary, DJ Akademiks always try to tell them to stop the violence. He will always have a positive message. Then Vic Mensa tried to correlate the whole thing with Donald Trump saying that he grabs women pussies, saying that that's the exact same thing that DJ Akademiks is doing every time that he reports on the war of Chiraq.
You know, when you have a president talk about grabbing women by the pussy, and you have somebody like DJ Akademiks on a completely different plane having a satire YouTube show, a joke, you know, a running joke about a real war with real casualties. I was talking to my man about it today, and I would always think, like, how much of an uproar people would be in if DJ Akademiks was, like, revealed to be white.
Every time that he does that, apparently that's the same thing as Donald Trump tweeting that he grabs women's pussies, or whatever the case may be. Now, if you notice, when Vic Mensa said what he said that he was going to slap DJ Akademiks, the man couldn't even look at DJ Akademiks in the face after he said that for the whole interview and Everyday Struggle. The man went out his way to try to discredit DJ Akademiks, and it bit him in the ass. But to make matters worse, he's trying to double down. He's trying to say that what he did was justified, and it's still making him look wrong. And Vic Mensa doesn't strike me as a guy that's going to give you an apology when he's wrong. But it doesn't take a genius to know that this man was wrong. Now, on my last video on this topic, I said that Joe Budden was wrong for not having his man's back, his man's being DJ Akademiks. And it wasn't until the next episode that I learned that Joe Budden was caught a little bit off guard, and that Deska was caught a little bit off guard, and they didn't really know how to react to that situation. But Joe Budden ended up saying on Twitter that nobody was going to touch DJ Akademiks, and that's a brave thing to say. So I take back the whole thing about saying that nobody had nobody's back in that situation, because Joe Budden was clearly caught off guard, and Joe Budden clearly has DJ Akademiks back. And Joe Budden also said that he would love for one of those young niggas, I quote, he would love for one of those young niggas to come on set and do that to Joe Budden so Joe Budden could have a license to slap the shit out of one of them. Basically an indirect shot to Vic Mensa. Because Joe Budden knows that anybody could do that to DJ Akademiks, but to do that to Joe Budden, that takes a special kind of man. Not just anybody can get on Everyday Struggle and say they're going to press Joe Budden and leave in two pieces. It's just not going to happen. So it's good that DJ Akademiks got that reinsurance from Joe Budden. DJ Akademiks is going to have to stand up for himself eventually, because Joe Budden isn't his security guard at the end of the day. But what Vic Mensa pulled, that was very corny, as you guys could see on his Instagram. Everybody's letting him know. And Vic Mensa is going to probably be trying to double down and clarify what he meant as the weeks go on, because he's getting a lot of backlash. As I said before, he's paying for his sins. Thank you for watching JPTV.